Hey Gotians, welcome back to this another video tutorial of Microsoft Excel series in which we will be covering the format painter option as promised in the previous video tutorial. Observe that we have written some names: Sam, Tim, Jill, Jack, and there are some month names: September, November, some numbers 36, 45 and 14. Now we are required to format these cells as depicted in these four cells. So what does it mean? If it's a day name, then it must have a yellow background, its font color must be red, and it should have an outside border. Manual way of doing it is selecting the cell, changing its background color to yellow, changing its font color to red, and selecting an outside border for it. But this will be a very lengthy procedure if there are multiple entities. So here comes the role of format painter option. In order to understand the characteristics of format painter option, let's undo the changes that we have done. This brush indicates the format painter option. If there is only one cell on which the features are to be copied, then select the standard cell, click the format painter option only once and click on the required cell. Observe that cells are identical now. But if there are multiple cells on which the features are to be copied, then click the standard cell, double click on the format painter and then click on the required cells. Further, this cell features are to be copied if it's a number. Again, double clicking on the format painter option 36, 45 and 14. Notice all the cells are identical now. Thirdly, if it's a month name, then this cell features are to be copied. Finally, if it's a name, then it must have an outside border. Copying the features for this fourth cell. This concludes our format painter video tutorial, and in the next video tutorial we will be covering different ways of adding and taking the average. So this will be the first video in which the audience will see the power of formulas. Thank you for the patience. We hope you got it.